What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here with the All Works. Today we'll be jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series. That's where we choose different Rustoleum colors. We shoot pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything over top of them and try to recreate more expensive looking paint effects on a budget, guys. You can do this with all automotive paint, but the whole purpose of this whole program is to show you guys how you form and mix and match different colors and get different effects. That way you can do it with any kind of paint you decide to do it with. I got a fender prep behind me. I'll be two-toning it with aluminum Rustoleum today and semi-gloss black Rustoleum. That way we get the full effect. Because a lot of people have been asking me to do more over silver, and especially with these candy base coats, and that's kind of what I've been doing here lately. I've been using limelight candy concentrates to create my own candy base coat using eye candy pigments and other stuff. I got a real pretty eye candy pigment today called ZAFFRE. It's a blue pearl, really cool. I'm going to be mixing that with the candy blue limelight and creating a really cool candy blue base coat. So that's the game plan for today. I'm going to two-tone it with these two Rustoleum colors first, and then we'll get into making our custom candy blue base coat. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so now we got our two Rustoleum colors laid down, and now it's time for the fun part. We're going to create our own candy base coat in Speedo Line Clear Coat. So this will be a one and done situation. I will be using Speedo Line Clear today. It's a 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part medium activator. It's about 65 degrees, so it is a little on the cool side, but I'm going to get through it. And I'm doing about 8 ounces total into the mix, so divide accordingly for that, and I'll bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright guys, so here we have candy blue limelight candy concentrate, a really cool candy additive with no sparkle, and then we got ZAFFRE, a really cool eye candy pigments pearl with tons of sparkle. So what we're going to do is use the eye candy to create the sparkle and the candy to create the candy, guys. So first I'm going to add a little bit of eye candy pearl. Now these measurements are not going to be exact today. I know some people would love to have it that way, but these are just test sprayouts, guys. So alright, so that's a little bit of ZAFFRE. Let's get this mixed up real good so I can show you what the ZAFFRE does. And right away you get a real pretty blue color. Now that's why I chose this today, because I wanted something that was going to complement the candy very well. We start off with a good blue pearl instead of something like silver like I used last time around. That way everything stays consistently blue and all we have is blues. And now we're going to use this candy via my popsicle stick droplets to increase the blueness of everything and probably darken it and deepen it a little bit. So I'm going to do a couple of these to give it a really good candy effect, and then I'll get to stirring it. That way you guys can see exactly what this candy does to this pearl clear coat mix. So I think that right there will be good enough. And let's grab both these sticks together. And as I get to mixing, you will notice this will darken everything and it will give it a much vivid pop, increase on everything. So what this is going to do over top of both colors, I'm very interested to see. But there's only one way to find out, guys. Let's load up the D1 drizzle gun and let's get to spraying some of this candy. Alright guys, so I got my paint gun here loaded up today with some custom candy limelight ZAFFRE eye candy blend. A really cool candy blue base coat, I think it's going to be. We're shooting it over these two colors today, and I'm going to do light but consistent coats over top of both till we get a good solid effect, probably 3 or 4 coats. And I will be shooting it with this D1 drizzle today paint gun, guys. It's a 1.3 tip. I shoot at 28 psi water per trigger. Feel free to replicate my settings if you want to. And yeah, I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get it spraying. Alright guys, today we created our own candy blue base coat, shot it over silver and over black, and got very different effects. Obviously that candy really darkened that blue pearl and gave it like a midnight blue candy effect, which is absolutely gorgeous. And if you like lighter colors over that silver, well, you definitely got a really cool transparent light blue. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so today's candy base coat experiment was a little unique. After the last episode I did with the red, you guys, the majority of you guys had a lot of comments about wanting to see a blue version of it, kind of revisited to where, remember when I mixed the silver in the blue candy and shot over black and got very different results. I got more of a silver effect. So when you add pearls into candies and try to create your own candy base coat, the pearl you have highly dictates what direction your candy flip goes to. So basically whatever pearl you use, it's going to take accent and darken what you already throw into it pearl wise. And that's why I got pretty much a midnight blue candy effect. I know one subscriber, you were asking for Nikon blue. It's a little bit deeper, darker blue, so you'd have an even darker blue than this. But the candy really tinted the ZAFFRE down and made it a candy midnight blue. Over the silver, well, there's so much transparency in the candy and so much going on with the silver, and then adding a blue pearl over top of it. Sometimes the pearls tend to get lost in silver, or they kind of clash or whatever. And then with the candy being a candy concentrate, it's tinting it, and it takes a lot of coats to get full coverage. As you saw over the black, we got much better results than over silver, and it's just one of those things. If I had highly concentrated the candy mix more, then we probably would have got a little bit more effect over blue. But you know what? Regardless, guys, I think it was a very interesting, cool experiment today. But hey, it ain't up to me. It's up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10. If you want to spray with ZAFFRE from My Candy Pigments, I am an affiliate, so I can get you a discount. Links will be in the description, and check out. Just enter WAW shop while shop. You'll get a discount, and it goes to help out the channel. The paint gun, the mask, all that other stuff, the Limelight candy stuff will be in my description. As seen on YouTube, you click that link, it'll take you to my Amazon store where you can purchase everything for the same price I get it. It won't cost you anything extra, like I said, and you get the benefits, Amazon Prime, and everything else they had to offer. If you made it this far in the video today, you like these crazy experiments, trying to save money, doing stuff on a budget, the paint jobs, the tutorials, a little bit of everything I do on this channel, then please take a second, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell beside it, it'll notify you every time a new episode drops. And like I said, please, before you click away, leave me a quick like and comment. Rate today's episode 1 through 5, 1 through 10. What spray outs haven't I done that you guys would like to see? I've got over 170 plus spray outs, so please go look back through them and see if I, by chance, already did it. And if I haven't, I'll get to it as soon as possible. I read everybody's comments. I try to like and heart every comment to let you know, hey, I see you and I hear you guys. That's the one thing about my channel. I try to actually engage with you guys. I take you guys very serious, and I try to see and use your guys' comments and examples and what you want to see to move the channel forward and progress. So this channel's all about you guys, but I appreciate you for watching today. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Artworks. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.